Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to install the current Python version on Windows 11. Let us start. At first go to the web browser. On Google type Python and press enter. The official website is visible, python.org. Click on it. The official website is visible. Go to the downloads menu. Here the current version is visible, that is Python 3.13.7. Click on it. The download started and completed. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Click use admin privileges and after that click add Python to path. Click customize installation. Optional features are visible. It will also install pip. What is pip? It is a package manager to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. It will also install IDLE, which is an IDE to run Python programs. Click next. Advanced options, click install Python for all users. Python will get installed in the following location. Keep it as it is and click install. Now the setup started. Let's wait. We have installed Python. Click close. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start, type cmd. Click open. Type the command python space -- version and press enter. We successfully installed the current Python version. Now let us run our first program. Go to start, type IDLE. I hope you remember we also installed IDLE. Click open. So here we will run our first code. To print anything in Python, use the print function and within this mention the text you want to print. So here I am printing my name. I'll press enter and the output is visible. Here it is. We can save this file. Go to file, click save as. Let's say I'll save it on the desktop. Okay, I'll name it demo. It will automatically add the Python extension from here. Click save. Now our file will get saved on the desktop. Here it is. So in this way we can run our first program on Python. For a free Python tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. You can also run Python on VS Code, Google Colab, Anaconda and PyCharm. All the links are in the video description. Thank you for watching.